Hi, this is Michael from Non-Stop Coding Tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use Code Creator code maker that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store opened, and in the search bar type in Code Creator. Alright, here it is, the first one. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the designs or the things that you can do with this application. So you can customize the codes. Like in this example, your body is your most priceless possession. Take care of it. Try to be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. So you can customize the colors, the text, the alignment, the spacing, frame width. You can also change the font. Okay, and it has this RGB background and also colors like gradient and so much more. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that this is the best and easiest way to create and share your codes with the world. Code Creator ready with customizing options such as background, text colors, text size, fonts, or you can choose your photo from your photo gallery to be used as background. You can share your own codes with your friends and to anyone. So features available, it has a friendly design, and you can set an amazing background including your photos. It has 55 plus amazing built-in fonts and templates and so much more. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so here it is, and as you can see, selected background is the dream. So this is the default, and you have the option to change it. So just tap this one or this one, it's up to you. Alright, so let's just let's try this. Okay, that's also good. And alright, I prefer this one. So this one, if you want to add the codes you have in mind, then just double tap it. Okay, and let's just put something in here. So the codes, let me just think the best code that I actually like. I think I remember it now. Okay, let me just type it in. So let me just put a quotation marks and then it. So quotation marks again. It is hard to fail, but it is worse never. But is worse. Okay, it's worse. It is hard to fail, but it is okay. But it is worse never to have tried success, or never to have tried to success. And the author of this code was Theodore Roosevelt. So let's put the name in here. So it's okay, just like that. And then you have the option to change the font in here. As you can see, there's an A. Alright, so this is the capitalize or uppercase, lowercase, capitalize. So you have the option to do that. This one here is okay, they have this predefined codes that you can also use immediately. There's no need for you to type. I prefer this one myself. So alright, it's gone. Now I need to tap it again, and instead of typing that again, I'm just going to use the default one. Alright, so this one here. Okay, select code. There you have it. It's going to be like that. It should look like that, but unfortunately we can't go back to the one that I have created earlier, so I'm just going to use the default. Now if you want to change the background, then that's also fine. Alright, so you can choose which background you want. Okay, just like that. this one here is the color, or you have the option to change the color. You can also use gradient if you want to. Now if you proceed to this one here, okay, these are the templates, right? So as you can see, if you want to use this one, then just use it. The manage template area. Now I just okay, this one looks good to me. And for the background, you have the option to use your own background by tapping this one. So you have the option to choose photo gallery or the background packages. So I'm not going to do that. Text is where you can change the text again, and also property is where you can change the line spacing, letter spacing, text align if you want to center it all. The width, you can also customize that here. Fonts is where you can change the fonts. So text fonts like this, okay, you can do that. All right, it's up to you. Okay, that one looks good. And font. All right, nothing has changed. Okay, never mind. Let me just go back, and also color. Color is where you can change the color, the opacity, and you can select any colors in here. And then effects is where you can change the brightness, right? Just like that. You have the option to change the contrast, the saturation, and so much more. And rotate is where you can rotate it, just like that. If you want it like that, then you can do that as well. All right, so I'm just going to set it to default, right? That's the default. And then shadow is where you can add shadows like that. So as you can see, shadow has been added. Okay, left to right and up and down, it's up to you. Now let's say that we're done with our codes and we want to save it now. All you need to do is tap this one here at the top right portion, tap this one, and you will have these options: save image, save PDF, save template, or add watermark. So in this case, we want to save the image, so it's going to save it and allow, and it will save in our phone. Now tap this one here just to make sure that it will be saved in our gallery, and you also have the option to share it to your Facebook, Instagram, and so much more. All right, let's go back in here. Now you can try other available options that you can choose. For the background, you can try the backgrounds, and these are the available backgrounds that you can choose. It is a predefined background ready for you to use, so just select. Let's say that it's all about inspirational, so let's try this one. And you can choose this background if you want to, and original, wallpaper, and so much more. Okay, you can customize or crop it, scale it, rotate it, it's up to you. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to select it and original, and then use it. Okay, so automatically my codes has been added, and I want to change the codes, so let me just change other codes in here. Okay, this one, I like this one, and select codes. Okay, and text property. Okay, that's fine. And what we need to do is, okay, the background has changed. We'll have to select that background again, and I'm looking for the okay, where was it? Okay, this one, the rotate, so it's a little bit slanted, so I'm just going to correct it a little bit more, like that. Okay, I think that would be fine. That one. All right, it's not easy. Okay, there you go. The option to change that background in here. Okay, just select this, choose your photo or background packages, and anything in here is free, so you just have to select one. And I'll try this. Okay, and use the original, right there. Fonts. Okay, fonts looks good. I think the color needs to be changed, so the effects. Okay, not the effects, color. Okay, this one, color is no longer the same. All right, I better prepare this default. This one looks good. All right, so that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.